Crowds gathering both across the nation and locally this evening after the Supreme Court's landmark decision today to overturn Roe v. Wade, ending the nation's constitutional protections for abortions and turning it over to the states. Good evening and welcome to the Fox 8 10 o'clock news. I'm Neil McNeil.
And I'm Katie Nordine. This historic decision drawing crowds of both anti-abortion and abortion rights activists with a lot of mixed reaction.
Fox 8's Jordan Brown spoke with an abortion rights activist who's been speaking out on the issue for the last 30 years. Jordan joins us live now from the Fox 8 newsroom. Jordan, what's going through her mind tonight?
Well, Neil, it's been a long fight for Tracy Stotler. She's been to protests across the country using her voice to speak out against what she believes in, abortion rights for all women. Now that the Supreme Court has overturned the landmark decision, she tells me she's feeling frustrated.
It feels like that we should be beyond this.
Tracy Stotler is no stranger to hitting the pavement and using her voice.
I feel like I've been beating back the giants for, decades.
She's been to several abortion rights protests over the years. This is Tracy, her sister, close friend, and husband at an abortion rights protest in Washington, D.C. in 1992.
But it was my first national protest that I had gone to, and it was really overwhelming in a good way to see so many people that were of like mind, and that it felt just uplifting to see that many people out trying to protect my rights.
Not much has changed 30 years later. Here she is again in 2022 at a protest in Winston-Salem shortly after the draft opinion was leaked.
I feel like this is an issue that's a very personal issue. It's a very private issue. And I feel like other people involving themselves in decisions that really have nothing to do with them is really disingenuous. To go through that for 35 years and to have this decision is exhausting.
Friday's announcement of the reversal of Roe v. Wade was disappointing to Stotler, but she says it came as no surprise.
When the leak came out, what was it, a month or two ago? The writing was on the wall, and I think I was more upset then because I knew that was the direction they were headed in. I had a glimmer of hope that they would, come to their senses and they would, find a more balanced, response to things. But, clearly that's not where our court is at.
But even after 30 years of fighting, Stotler says she's not done yet.
I will fight for another 30.
Now, the North Carolina Attorney General posted a message to women of North Carolina on his Twitter page earlier today that reads in part, North Carolina state law protects women's reproductive freedoms. This is true even after the Supreme Court today stripped women of their right to an abortion under the Constitution by overturning Roe v. Wade. If we want to keep our freedoms under state law, then we have to elect state officials who commit to protecting them, end quote.
All right, Jordan, thank you so much. And we have seen plenty of reaction locally today from people on both sides of this issue.
Yeah, including those who gathered at the corner of Eugene and West Market Streets in downtown Greensboro this evening. Fox 8's Daryl Matthews was there. So, Daryl, what was it like?